What's up everybody and welcome back. It is officially week 7 of Cooking Lab videos. Today's experiment is super fun, so without further ado, let's jump right into our ingredients and materials needed. For our main ingredient, we're starting off with a red cabbage. Next up, I have my 3 household items, so I'm going to start off with black coffee. I also am going to use baking soda and water. And lastly, some white vinegar. As for materials, you're going to need a pot, a cutting board, a knife, lots of cups, a container, and a strainer. Alrighty, let's get to cutting. Starting off with my red cabbage, I'm going to go ahead and cut that in half and then continue to cut it down into smaller pieces. Here's what it looks like all chopped up. Alrighty, now that my cabbage is all cut up, it's time to head to the stove. Starting off with 3 cups of water in my pot, I'm going to bring it to a low boil and then go ahead and add my red cabbage in. As you can see, it's already starting to leach some of its color. I'm going to continue to let that simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. And here's how our final product is looking. Alrighty guys, now that our cabbage has leached all of this purple color, we're going to go ahead and strain it into this jar. In a separate jar, I'm just going to combine some of my leached red cabbage indicator with 2 cups of water. And here's how that's looking. Now it's time to separate my mixture into 3 smaller cups. In my first cup, I'm just going to be adding the white vinegar. I'm going to predict it to turn into a more red color because this is an acid. You can see the color completely changed from this to this. For my next cup, I'm going to be adding in a little bit of black coffee. With this, I'm not sure what color it's going to turn out. Alrighty, the black coffee kind of turned it another reddish color. And lastly, I need to make a little baking soda and water mixture. Now that I've got it all mixed up, it's time to add it to my 3rd cup. I'm predicting this color change to end up being like a blue color. For my 3rd cup, since this was a basic or alkaline mixture, it did turn it to be this like blue-green turquoise color. Alrighty guys, this is the conclusion of my red cabbage indicator lab 7. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you come back for the next video. Bye!